You know that I count out them racks, you know that that's facts. You will get jacked, get hit with that Mac, knock off your hat, you was a rat, take all your stacks. Young nigga came from the bottom, trapped out that Louis and Prada.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today, well, why don't I just take out the twist and then do an intro? Nah. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing this new blow dryer. And yeah, subscribe to my channel, like this video if you like it, and I'll see you in the next one, right? Okay, so this is the lighting that we're working with, guys. I have got the blow dryer that I was yelling about in like every video. The blow dryer is coming, the blow dryer is coming. It's finally here. Alright, so this is the Revlon Salon 360 Surround Styler. And just, it's such a weird blow dryer. Like, it's so weird. Yeah, I don't know if it works on natural hair because the person here is like white, I guess. Obviously the hair is straight. What in the world? Do y'all see this? So it's got a cold shock button, cool, warm, hot, and low and high. Huh. That's kind of cool. Okay, so the air is coming out from like in between here, and like I feel it down here. I don't feel it like up here. So this is gonna be so weird. All right, I put it on warm. And then what I guess you can do is turn it, and then all the air comes out of here like a regular, sorry, all the air comes out of here like a regular blow dryer. So, ooh. Oh my gosh, okay. My hair is not that dry yet. It really makes your hair super, super soft. So I'm just gonna seal. All right. On one section, I'm just gonna finish the rest and then come back when it's done, obviously. I'm back, and it took quite a while. Not that long. I want to say it took 45 minutes. It took me to blow dry this, and I'm tired. Yeah, so this is basically how it came out. Usually I would leave it so that it can get puffy by itself. It's already starting to get puffy though. But I mean, not bad.
School. Look how we cut up that pack. Young nigga trap with the act. We cutting that shit. Kicking your dough from the back. You know that we coming for that. Give me that. Just got the Rari. I just spent the milli on that. Look how I'm acting. Got 3 bitches all in the back. They all in the back. They niggas don't know where they at.
we've made it to the end, and honestly, I'm not sure how I feel about this blow dryer. I'm loving the results. Obviously, like, I think it looks cute, you know, my hair is blown out, blah blah blah, but I don't know how I like the blow dryer yet. Like, it was a little hard to like fit all of my hair into that this space, so I'm just trying to figure out if this is black girl friendly, if that makes sense, because I have a lot more hair than this, and I'm also not really trying to spend 5 hours blow drying my hair. So I'm gonna use it a couple more times and then give my final opinion. But so far, it's okay. I just wish this part was a little wider. Yeah, so just subscribe, stay tuned so you don't miss it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
You know that I count all them racks, you know that that's facts. You will get jacked, get hit with that Mac, knock off your hat, you was a rat, take all your stacks. Young nigga came from the bottom, trapped out that Louis and Prada. Remember 4th grade, I was fucking them models. And now she gon' suck it and swallow. It's Louis gang, nigga, we